a ship is sailing north at 22 kilometers per hour. A second ship is sailing east at 16 kilometers per hour. So crosses the path of the first ship 85 kilometers ahead of it. So how will we picture up this one? So we have we'll draw cross line. So ship A, so this is ship A. So ship A. So ship A is equals to 22 kilometers per hour. So it is sailing north. And then the second ship is sailing east at 16 kilometers per hour. Crosses the path of the first ship 85 kilometers ahead. So it crosses the path 85 kilometers ahead. So it is somewhere here. So 85 kilometers ahead. So this is ship B. Ship B, 16 kilometers per hour. So it is 16 kilometers per hour. So what is the problem? So how fast is the so what is asked? So how fast is the distance between them changing 1 hour later? So we will find the derivative of distance with respect to time at t is equals to 1 hour. And then when are they closest together? So when are they closest? So the the distance over time, so it just equals to 0. So to have a clear understanding in this one, so we'll draw again a line. So we will denote it as, so let's say this is the ship B. So we'll reconstruct the problem. Ship B, and this is ship A. Ship B is ahead by 85 kilometers. So this is 85 kilometers behind is ship A, right? So is 22 kilometers per hour, and this is ship B is 16 kilometers per hour. So 16 kilometers per hour. So how will we, to have an easy understanding with this one, we'll use points. So for this point, so for ship A, it is at x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 22. So 22 minus 85. So we have 22t. So 22t minus 85. So for shape B, so we have at x is equals to 16t and the y is equals to 0. So let's say this is our x sub 1. So this is our x sub 1, y sub 1. This is our x sub 2, y sub 2. So again, we will have the distance formula. Distance formula is equals to the square root of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared plus x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared. So we'll plot this one. So we'll have so y sub 2 is equals to 22t. 22t minus 85 squared plus, so we have x sub 2 is, so y sub 1 equals to 0. So x sub 2 is just equals to 0. So 0. So 0. So x sub 1 is just equals to 16t. So this is negative 16t. squared raised to the power of 1/2. So after this one, we will differentiate with respect to time. So we have dt all over dt. So we have 1/2, so just copy 22t minus 85 squared, so just copy inside. So negative 1/2, so derivative inside, so we have 2 times, just copy inside. So this one, so derivative inside is just equals to 22, right? So again, plus, so derivative of this term to the second term is 2 times negative 16t. So derivative inside is negative 16. Again, we will simplify. So we have d over dt is equals to, so we'll rewrite, so at t is equals to 1, so we'll have 2 times 22 so 2 times 22 minus 85 times 22 plus 2 times, so positive, so it is just negative, so negative times negative is just equals to positive, so all over, so the term, so we have so we have square root 22 times 1, so it is just 22 minus 85 squared plus negative 16t, so negative 16 squared, right? Because it is just equals to 1. So again, we'll simplify this one. So d over dt is equals to, so what is the numerator? So 2 times, so 22 minus 85 times 22. So it is negative 2772 plus, so 2 times 16 times 16. So we have positive 512 all over. So what is the square root of the one? Square root of 22 minus 85 squared plus negative 16 squared. So we have 65. So we have d over dt. So is equals to, so we have negative 2772 plus 512. So negative 2 to 60. So it is, there should be 2 in the denominator, right? This 2 is 1/2. So there should be 2 right here. 2. So it is 2 times 65. So we have negative 2 to 60 all over. So 2 times 65 is 130. So by simplifying, we have dd over dt is equals to, so negative 2 to 6 all over 13. So kilometers per hour. So uh, for letter B, when are they closest together? So we'll use the equation